Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add first order logic equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add first order logic equation in this document. Go to the Insert menu, then click the equation drop down menu and go to the more equation from office.com, then find the first order logic. Here the first order logic and we select it to insert. Then we can see we added first order logic equation in this document very easily. Now we want to change or edit the equation. Click the equation and change anything. You can change or apply another equation. Go to the design menu, then apply any equation. You can apply ascent, limit and log, otherwise. Now we can see we added first order logic equation very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.